Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Kanika Arora and you're watching my YouTube channel The Medical World. Today I'm going to explain about the new topic that is the burns. In this topic I will give you some detail about burns, what are its types. So let's start the video. Our first topic is what is burns. Burns are tissue damage that result from heat, overexposure to the sun or other radiation or chemical or electrical contact. Burns can be mere medical problems or life-threatening emergency. Now I will talk about the types of burns. There are three types of burns. First one is the first degree burn, second one is the second degree burn, and third one is the third degree burn. Next are the symptoms of the burn. What comes under first degree burn, second degree burn, and third degree burn. So first we will talk about first degree burn. This minor burn affects only outer layer of the skin, that is the epidermis, and it may cause redness and pain. So these are the symptoms when our client suffers from the first degree burns. Next is the second degree burn. This type of burn affects both epidermis and second layer of skin, that is the dermis. It may cause swelling and red and white or scotchy skin. Blisters may develop and pain can be severe. Deep second degree burns can cause scarring. And what comes under third degree burn? This burn reaches to the fat layer beneath the skin. Burnt areas may be black, white, or brown. The skin may look wealthy and it may also destroy nerve, which causes the numbness. Our next topic is when to see the doctor. When the burn that covers the hands, feet, face, groin, buttocks, or the major joint, then you have to immediately see the doctor. Or when there are deep burns which affects all the layers of the skin and the deeper layers tissues are also affected. Burns that cause skin to look weathery, burns that cause wear or have patches of black, brown or white, as well as burns caused by chemicals or electricity. And when you have the difficulty in breathing or burns have the exposure to the airway, you have to immediately see the doctor because this is one of the medical emergency. Now we will talk about the causes of burns. The first cause of burn is the fire. Second cause is hot liquid or steam. Third one is hot metal, glass or other objects. Fourth one, electrical currents. Fifth one, radiation such as that is from the x-rays. And the fifth one is the sunlight, or it can be the other sources of ultraviolet radiations too. And if the skin has exposure to the chemicals such as strong acids or paint thinner, the burn can also cause. And the last cause of burn is the abuse, that is very common in the Indian society and other societies, that due to abuse the burns occur. Complication of burns. There are many complications of burns if it is not treated on time. First complication is the bacterial infection, which may lead to the bloodstream infection, that is the sepsis. Second complication is the fluid loss in the tissues, which will cause to hypovolemia. And the third complication is low body temperature, which is called the hypothermia in the medical language. Fourth complication is the breathing problem, as the tissues are burnt and tissues will not have enough oxygen, so there will be breathing problems as well as exchange of gases. And the fifth one is the scars or rigid areas caused by the overgrowth of the scar tissues. And last one is bone and joint problems, such as when scar tissues causes the shortening and tightening of skin, muscles or tendons. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my this video. This video is very important as one is very important topic. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel because more videos are coming which will be helpful for you in the medical school, whether you are a nurse, doctor or PSW. Thank you so much.